How to log in to South State Bank online banking. A step-by-step guide. Begin by opening your preferred and secure web browser on your computer or device. Navigate to a trusted search engine such as www.google.com and press Enter. In the search bar, type South State Bank and hit Enter to proceed. From the list of search results, carefully select the official and verified website of South State Bank. Once you are on the home page, locate and click on the Login button. On the Login interface, please select the appropriate type of banking service you wish to access. In the field labeled Login ID, enter your username. Then, enter your password in the corresponding password field. If you need to reset your login credentials, kindly click on the Forgot Reset Login link. If you have forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password to initiate the password recovery process. To begin using online banking services, click on Enroll in Online Banking to register your account. If you are accessing a special account for the first time, click on Independent Financial First Time Login. Finally, after confirming your credentials, click on Login to securely access your South State Bank online banking account.